So we've got time here. And then we've got blood glucose. This is going to be in milligrams per deciliters. Now, as you mentioned before, we like to start at about 100. And in terms of normal physiology, healthy, 140 is kind of the upper limit here. So let's say we're starting off, we just had a meal. And so we start off with blood glucose at 100. And then after that meal, it's going to spike. And then over time, it's going to slowly return back to 100. Okay. And then we also want to point out the error signal. So as soon as we get this turned off, or as soon as we deviate from 100, we start to see this difference here. Okay. And then as we get closer to 100, once again, we see that difference diminish. All right. Now, what I want to do is I want us to define the terms relative or relevant to this example. So let's speak about the regulated variable. And so I want you to just fill that in. You're also going to fill in, for this example, what is the set point? Our third term was negative feedback. So based upon how we just described negative feedback, how would you define that relevant to this example? And then the fourth one we had was the error signal. Okay, so I want you to, on your own notes or on your own paper, write in what the definition or the description is for these terms we just described that are relevant to this blood sugar example.